Welcome to Havenstone, an architectural marvel perched on a private peninsula overlooking King Lake, the largest private body of water in Milton, North Atlanta. Built before the area's current boom, the location is a masterclass in foresight. But it is the estate itself that truly stops you in your tracks. It is a love letter to old-world aesthetics, built by a dream team of artisans who were seemingly given a blank check and told, "Just go wild." Inside, the great room commands attention with a staggering two-story fieldstone fireplace. Craftsmanship shines in the intricate details, from a sculptural floating staircase woven with hand-forged iron and bronze to a chef's kitchen draped in character-grade walnut cabinetry and crowned with a hand-hammered copper range hood. Even the primary suite feels earthen and grounded, boasting a hand-selected river stone fireplace and a tranquil spa-inspired bath. The backyard is an exercise in beautifully unhinged luxury. The outdoor space is anchored by an aquatic environment that puts commercial resorts to shame. Forget standard rectangular pools. Havenstone features a lazy river with a functional push current, a diving basin, a hot springs-inspired spa, and a subterranean grotto embedded with phosphorescent glow rocks. Because why not? Havenstone is a rare architectural sanctuary. It is a living testament to centuries-old building techniques, globally sourced materials, and an unrelenting commitment to living exceptionally well.